What's up guys, Leo here, and this time we are going to review one of the budget count keyboard under $50. It's the Redragon Kumara white version non-RGB gaming keyboard. At first glance, the Kumara is a great looking simple design keyboard with the design of a rectangle chocolate bar. However, the design of the characters on the keycaps resembles gaming design like the Corsair series of Mac keyboards. The Kumara is a 10 keyless keyboard, 87 standard conflict-free or anti-ghosting keys with 12 multimedia keys and splash-proof design. The keycaps are double-shot ABS keycaps, so you don't have to worry about letters wearing out or being erased in the keyboard. The keyboard itself is mostly made out of plastic in the outer part and not the bottom of the keyboard, but the bottom plating of the keycaps and switches itself is made out of metal, and I think it's out of aluminum. On the right side of the keyboard, you will see two lights that is for scroll and caps lock and lights up when buttons are pressed. Adding to that, for the functioning of the multimedia keys, there will be a function button or FN that will be used. Another feature of this keyboard is the Windows lock button, so that while gaming, no Windows process will be accidentally run like the start menu. On the bottom you will see the Redragon sticker and some screw slot for the keyboard, two rubber grips on the bottom, and two stand grip which also has rubberized feet. Both does a very well job of keeping the keyboard put. The Kumara sports Otemu Blue switches, or the Chinese counterpart of the Cherry MX Blues and Gateron Blues. Here are some soundcheck samples with keycaps and without keycaps. The lighting on this white Kumara is very bright compared to the black keycaps because the LED light spreads out through the white painted keycaps instead of concealing the light in the black ones. It also has brightness levels which you can control through the keyboard and a breathing effect and on and off function. It also has gold-plated USB connectors which last longer on corrosion than the silver or alloy-plated ones. Now let's talk about cons in my own opinion. First of all, the Kumara doesn't have software, so no, it is not a programmable keyboard. While this is only a single color LED light keyboard, they should have added more lighting effects, but this is just subjective. The metal bottom surface of the keycaps or switches is prone to dirt, as you can see here in the clip, and it can't be easily removed. And of course, this is a work keyboard, so you will be sacrificing the need to clean the keycaps and the whole keyboard every now and then, especially if you eat on your desktop. Adding to that, the edges around the keyboard is lifted, so you cannot easily sweep up the dirt surrounding the bottom plating and the keycaps. Lastly, the wiring or cable of this keyboard is non-braided, but I think it is not a big factor when buying this keyboard. Overall, the keyboard performs very well, especially on its price point. The Otemu Blue holds very well among its competitors, and it is also much cheaper. If you're looking for a budget TKL keyboard with a great quality, this is a keyboard that should not be ignored. Thumbs up to Redragon.